All right, good morning, everybody. Court will begin with the March 8th, 2022, and we are live stream. And I think we're going to start with the plea first. Leticia Mendez.
She's connected.
She should be coming on any second, Judge. I spoke to her just a few minutes ago.
All right, good morning, sir.
Morning, Judge.
Let me.
She's right here. She's connected.
Mhm. All right,
No audio yet.
she's connecting.
Señor con la cachucha, ¿cuál es su nombre?
Isaías Navarro.
¿Quién es su abogado, señor?
¿Cómo se llama?
Anthony.
Anthony.
Here it is, number 7. Haleli.
I mean,
So he is U30,
what is it? I can't see.
U325 AC. All right, we're going to put him.
Ok, ahorita le llama el juez. No haga nada, ahorita le llama el juez. She's got audio.
All right, Miss Mendez, can you hear me?
She's on mute.
Judge, I instructed her to mute herself as she came in, Judge. There she goes.
Right. Good morning, ma'am. Can you hear me now?
Good morning, sir. Yes.
All right, very good, very good. All right, let me get this case again.
Number 15.
Number 15. All right, we have CR 22-00389D, Leticia Mendez, and it'll be a plea. Please raise your right hand, ma'am. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You may put your hand down. Once again, CR 22-00389D, Leticia Mendez. Your charge, Class A misdemeanor, DWI. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you're entitled to a jury trial. You are entitled to an appeal, and that you waived those two rights.
Yes.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
No, sir.
You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendation after you give your plea?
Yes, sir.
And what is your plea, ma'am? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right. And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
All right. State.
Judge, state offer plea document and offense report as Exhibit 1. Notification and certification of defendant right of appeal as Exhibit 2. Waiver of Article 39.14 disclosure as Exhibit 3. Waiver of risk and need assessment as Exhibit 4. State would also request defense counsel to stipulate to the venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court, and to also stipulate that evidence is filed sufficient to plead guilty.
So agreed and stipulated, Judge.
And without objection, so admitted. It'll be the judgment of the court that the defendant is guilty as charged in CR 22-00389D. Recommendation, state?
Yes, Judge. The state recommend $400 fine, court costs, 1 year in Delaware County Jail, probate for 14 months, the repeat offender program, 7 months on the mobile alcohol monitoring device, 3 days in the Delaware County Jail, 180 days Texas driver license suspension, 40 community service hours, and a MAD impact panel.
Man,
Judge,
yes, sir.
Judge, my client works at a rehabilitation center in Westico from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So any consideration the court would give towards CSR and cost, Judge. She also had some questions regarding the driver license suspension, whether it'd be running concurrent.
It will run concurrent as the judgment will reflect, and court will hereby waive the community hours.
Thank you, Judge.
And so that'll be the judgment as read on the record by the state. And any questions?
Judge, she did ask, she asked today off as far as reporting probation and getting processed, whether she needs to go straight there or get in contact with probation.
No, she's going to be getting a call from the probation officer.
That's everything, Judge.
Okay, when is that going to be, Ms. Ramirez, today or tomorrow?
She'll probably get a phone call from probation tomorrow, and they'll make arrangements with her on when to report.
Oh, okay.
And the last thing, Judge, was the 3 days Hidalgo County Jail as far as scheduling. She has some questions over when she would need to report.
Right, that'll be taken up with the probation department, and if during those 14 months, she's got time to do it.
Got it.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you all very much. Good luck with your probation, Ms. Mendez, and you all have a great
Thank
day.
you.
Stay safe, okay?
Likewise, Judge. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Number 3 and number 4, Mr. Austin Oxford
Mr.
with Elizabeth Contreras.
Mr. Austin Oxford.
Yes, Judge, present and ready for arraignment for numbers.
It'll be an
3 and
arraignment
4.
for Elizabeth Contreras, right, sir?
Correct, Judge.
All right, let me see here. Ms. Contreras, you need to unmute.
Good morning.
All right, good morning, ma'am. 2 cases, CR 21-13-579D, DWI Class A misdemeanor. CR 21-13-580D, Class A resisting arrest misdemeanor. Each case carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
And how do you plead for both cases? Not guilty?
Not guilty.
All right, court will enter a not guilty here for each of the 2 cases. And do you happen to have the interlock device
Yes.
in your vehicle? Okay. And who's the vendor or the company that you have it from?
Smart Start.
Okay. Then we'll issue you a pretrial date for both cases. August 30th, 2023, 9 a.m. August 30th, 2023, 9 a.m. However, Mr. Oxford, if you need us to bump up the case, please let the court know.
Yes, Judge, I'll be in contact with Mr. Nguyen sometime this afternoon so we can discuss the discovery.
Right.
And
Okay, so we don't have to wait that long, okay? So that'll do it, ma'am. Please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay?
Thank you. Have a good day.
All right, you have a good
May
day.
we be
Thank you.
excused?
You too. Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Mr. Jorge Salinas, he has Savannah Gonzalez, and she has number 8, number 19, and number 21.
Okay, say it again.
Number 8, number 19,
Uh-huh.
and number 21.
Okay, number 8. 19. 19 and 20, 19. And that'll be Mr. Richard Gonzalez? Or no, Mr. Jorge Gonzalez?
Jorge Salinas.
Good morning, Your Honor.
21 has, oh, yeah. Hey, good morning, Mr. Salinas. 3 cases, right, sir?
Excuse me?
There are 3 cases with the same defendant?
Yes, 3 cases. We're going to be submitting a PTD application today. We're set for an arraignment, Your Honor.
All right, so 3 cases, here we go. And your client is Savannah Josephine Gonzalez, and she needs to unmute. All right, there you go, ma'am. 3 cases, ma'am. CR 21-13-854D, Savannah Gonzalez, Class A DWI on this one. And then CR 22-00734D, Class A misdemeanor on this one. And then the last one, CR 22-02014D, Savannah Gonzalez, Class B misdemeanor, DWI. So the first and third are DWI cases, 1A, 1B. On the A, the potential penalty can be up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. On the Class B, actually the 2 cases are Class Bs. I'm sorry, the middle one is a Class A that carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. That's like the DWI Class A. On the last one, Class B, DWI, that carries a potential penalty of up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. Do you understand all of that, ma'am?
Yes.
All right. And how do you plead on all of them? Not guilty or guilty?
Not guilty.
All right, court will enter a not guilty plea for all of them. And I have a question. Do you happen to have the interlock device on your vehicle?
No, because I
Alright.
don't.
Okay. Then whether it's the interlock device or a mobile or portable, you need one because it is a Class A charge DWI, and that's mandatory.
Okay.
So we need to give you an order. You have an email?
Yes, it's
And what is-
gonna be Vanna Gonzalez 23@gmail.com.
Is it double N?
Yes.
Okay.
With the H or just VANNA?
With the H at the end.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry.
All right. And so we need a date of March. I'm sorry. April 6th. April 6th, 3 p.m. That'll be a compliance hearing to show proof that you have the interlock device or the mobile. Did you get that, man? April 6th, 3 p.m. So you'll be getting an order with a list of vendors and then go look for one of the devices and then let your attorney know, okay?
Okay.
Do we need to choose right now whether it's going to be the mobile alcohol device or the ignition or
Can be either one.
either or?
It can be either one.
It can be either one.
Yes, Your Honor.
It can be either one. And remember, ma'am, please, no alcohol consumption while the cases are pending, okay?
Okay.
All right, be careful out there. Your excuse, have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Your
Mr.
Honor.
Salinas.
I have nothing further before this honorable court may be excused.
Your excuse. Thank you, sir. Huh?
Thank you.
Mr. Moreno has number 17, Elizabeth Cavazos, and he also has number 18, Sara E. Betancourt. They're
Okay,
both on the screen.
okay, 17 and 18. Mr.
Morning, Your Honor.
Moreno. Yes, sir. Good morning, Mr. Moreno. Elizabeth Cavazos?
Right here.
All right, what, do you have a video, man?
Yes, let me see. Start video. There you
Here
go.
you go. All right, let's see here. CR 22-007-16D, Elizabeth Lynette Cavazos. Your charge, Class A misdemeanor, DWI. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes.
And how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty?
Guilty.
Not guilty, Your Honor.
You'll be a not guilty? All right. Today it's a not guilty, but down the line, you can always consult with your attorney, and if you change your mind, he'll let us know. Okay, ma'am, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
Not yet. No.
Not even a portable?
No.
All
Judge,
right.
Judge, she's a first offender, Your Honor. We already submitted the PD application. We've done all that. We're just waiting for approval, and I don't know if we can hold up on that device until she gets approved. So
Well,
that's
even
possible.
if she gets, first of all, it's mandatory, but it's a Class
Okay.
A. And number two, if she gets approved, she's gonna need it anyway.
Yes, Your Honor.
So we need your email, ma'am. What is it?
Elizabeth, I'm sorry, Cavazos 18@yahoo.com.
Okay. All right, and then we set it for April 6th for the
Compliance.
compliance, 3 p.m. But in the meantime, Mr. Moreno, you can be negotiating, okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
In the meantime, just keep negotiating, do what you're doing. And we have it for April 6th, 3 p.m. for compliance so that we can have proof of the interlock device. So
Thank
in
you.
the meantime, Ms. Cavazos, please no alcohol consumption, okay, ma'am, on the case pending.
Will do.
All right, your excuse. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye. Now, Mr. Moreno, you have Jeanette, Zaira Bentoncourt.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let me see if I can get her on. Could you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I'm right here.
All right, good morning.
Good morning.
CR 22-007-25D, Zaira Jeanette Bentoncourt. Your charge, Class A misdemeanor, DWI. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty?
Not
Guilty this time.
All right, not guilty. Ma'am, do you have the interlock device in your vehicle?
No, I do not.
Not even a portable?
No.
Okay, do you have an email?
Yes.
And what is it?
It's Saira, Saira, B like boy, E 96 at gmail.com.
Okay. You'll be getting an order so that you can go get an Interlock device or portable along with a list of vendors. And we set your case for April 6th, 3 p.m. for status or compliance. We'll need proof of the Interlock device. But as soon as you get it, call your attorney, okay, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Let your attorney know. So that'll do it for right now. Meanwhile, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending.
Okay.
All right, you're excused. Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day. Anything
Thank
else,
you,
Mr.
Judge.
Molino?
That's all, Judge. Maybe excuse?
Yes, sir, you're excused. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Mr. Cantu,
Which one?
Mr. David Cantu, number 9.
Number 9.
Mr. Edgar Moreno is mad.
Mr. Cantu, there you are, Mr. Cantu. Good morning.
Morning.
Your
Yes.
client is Edgar Moreno?
Edgar needs to unmute.
Okay, Edgar needs to unmute.
Yes, sir. Edgar, you can need to unmute your computer. We can't hear you.
There you go.
Mi nombre es
There you
Edgar
go.
Moreno.
All
My name
right,
is Edgar Moreno.
all right,
¿No
good
hablas
morning.
inglés?
Okay, CR 21-14-330-90, Edgar Alejandro Moreno, your charge, Class A misdemeanor, DWI. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
El caso tuyo es CR 21-14339D, el estado de Texas, contra Edgar Alejandro Pérez Moreno. Te acusan de una clase A. Bajo la ley es no más de una multa de $4,000 y no más de un año en la cárcel. La pregunta es, ¿comprendes eso? ¿Sí o no?
Tengo los $4,000.
Esa es la sentencia. Te está diciendo lo que es la sentencia. Te puede poner una multa hasta $4,000. ¿Comprendes eso?
Sí.
Yes.
And how do you plead today, sir? Guilty, not guilty?
¿Y cómo te declaras hoy? ¿Culpable o no culpable?
No, no culpable.
Not guilty.
All right, now, Mr. Moreno, do you happen to have the Interlock device with you?
Señor Moreno, ¿tienes el aparato de alcohol instalado en el vehículo?
No, no tengo vehículo.
No, I don't have a vehicle.
All right, then you need a portable.
Ok, no hay problema. Te van a dar el portable.
Do you have an email, Mr. Moreno?
Dame, ¿tienes correo electrónico o un número de teléfono?
Número de teléfono.
Okay.
Dámelo.
7, perdón. 274-6173.
¿Qué es el área?
956.
So es 956-274-6173.
That's correct.
¿Ese es el teléfono?
Es mi celular.
Okay.
956-274-6173. That's my cell.
Okay, we'll set it for April 6th, 3 p.m., Mr. Cantu. April 6th, 3
Lo que va a hacer la corte es te
for
va a
compliance
ordenar
hearing.
ese aparato de alcohol. Si no tienes vehículo, entonces va a ser el móvil, el que vas a traer contigo a todos lados. Y le van a mandar una orden a tu abogado. Él se comunica contigo para que tú tengas esa orden junto con la lista de los negocios que puedes ir a obtener ese aparato. Tú tienes que tener ese aparato antes del día 6 de abril y tienes que traer pruebas, enseñarle a tu abogado para que el abogado le enseñe al oficial que ya tienes ese aparato.
But as soon as he gets it, just to let the
Pero lo
attorney know.
más pronto que lo tengas, dile a tu abogado, y si lo tienes antes de esta fecha, nadie se tiene que presentar esta fecha. ¿Tienes alguna
Ok.
pregunta?
Ok, sí, pero ¿a dónde voy para agarrar mi aparato? ¿Dónde tengo que ir a agarrar?
Como te dije anterior, tu abogado te va a dar una lista
Ok,
de
sí.
todos los lugares donde puedes ir,
Okay.
junto con la orden que tienes que presentar para que te den el aparato.
Ok.
Okay, in the meantime, Mr. Moreno, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Y ahorita, mientras este caso está pendiente, de no estar tomando ni manejando, o no tomar, punto.
All right,
Your
sir?
Honor.
¿Comprendes?
Yes, sir, Mr. Cantu.
Yes, Judge, I have the written evidence. We're just waiting for the video, and then we'll be moving forward on the case.
Oh, okay. Very well. Yes, sir. Very well. You're all excused. Have a great day. Thank you very much.
Se
Bye-bye.
puede retirar, señor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Okay, I'm gonna bring in Mr. Trejo. I don't know. I don't show him on the list. I don't know if he's here for somebody
Okay.
or if he got hired on the case.
All right.
He's got audio.
Yes, sir. Mr. Trejo. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Mr. Trejo.
Good morning, Judge.
Yes, sir. Which is your case?
My case is Orlando Vega, Judge, CR 21-13184D. He's present in my office, Your Honor, present, ready for arraignment.
So did you substitute Mr. Acevedo?
I did.
Okay.
If he hasn't submitted the motion and the order, we need that
All right. That'll be
because
Mr.
we still show Mr. Acevedo.
Right. Laro Trejo.
That's
Yeah,
been,
just do that. Okay.
That's been submitted and approved by the clerk's office.
Okay. You saying Vega?
He's right here, Judge.
Oh, he's there with you. Okay, he's there with you. Very good. All right, CR 21-13-184D, Orlando Vega. All right, Mr. Vega, your charge is a Class A misdemeanor DWI. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
All right, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty?
Not guilty.
Court will enter a not guilty plea. And sir, do you happen to have the interlock device?
Yes, sir. I have it right here.
Okay, and under what company? What name? Under what vendor?
It is a Smart Start.
Okay, very good. Very good. Mr. Trejo, we're going to give him a pretrial date of August 30th, 2023, 9 a.m. August 30th, 2023, 9 a.m. If you need us to bump it up after some negotiations, let us know, please.
Yes, Judge. And for the court's information, my client does have the portable with Smart Start. However, he is behind on a couple of payments. He's going to make those payments on the 25th of this month, and then
Okay.
he'll come with the portable device with Smart Start.
Okay. And in the meantime, Mr. Vega, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you very much. You're both to be excused. Have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
Ms. Victoria Guerra, number 10, and her client Jose Chavero.
Number 10, Jose Chavero. All right, let me see here. Mr. Chavero is on. He needs to unmute. Okay.
There you go.
All right, there you go. Good morning,
Sorry
sir.
about that. Good morning.
All right, CR 22-000-49D, Jose Gustavo Chavero. Your charge, Class A misdemeanor DWI. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty?
Your
Not
Honor,
guilty.
at this time, my client pleads not guilty, enters a plea of not guilty, and asks for a pretrial and trial setting.
All right. Court will enter a not guilty plea at this time, and it's a Class A DWI. Mr. Chavero, do you have the interlock device with you?
No, Your Honor.
Not even the mobile?
No, Your Honor.
Your Honor, and it, I'd like the court to know that my client indicates to me he does not own a car, does not
Okay.
have a car. So maybe the handheld device might be a better option.
Correct. Correct. What do we need right now? We need the phone number? Or
If he has an email.
do you have an email, Mr. Chavero, by any chance?
I have one and my phone just broke down, Your Honor.
I can tell you what it is, Your Honor. He was emailing me yesterday.
But if the phone broke down, I think we're not going to get a hold of him. So no, we'll get a phone number. We need the
email.
Give us the email, Ms. Guerra.
Okay. The email I have on Mr. Chavero is CHAVERO 87@gmail.com. Tavi, TAVI Chavero 87@gmail.com.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
We'll set the date, we'll set the next date for April 6th for compliance. 3 p.m. If it gets it beforehand, please let us know, Ms. Guerra. We don't have to come for that hearing, okay?
Yes.
April 6th, 3 p.m.
Yes, Your Honor. I just want my
Okay.
client to understand that's the day by which he needs to have the device.
Right, Mr. Chavero, you have till April 6th to get the device, okay, sir?
And then
Yes.
send me the information so I can file it with the court.
In fact, as soon as you get it, call your attorney.
Yes. And I'll let the court know, Your Honor.
And in the meantime, Mr. Chavero, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck with that and stay safe. We'll see you later. Thank you, ma'am.
Have a good day. Thank you,
You
Your
too,
Honor.
bye-bye.
You too.
Okay. We have Mr. Khalili, number 7.
Number 7.
And his client is Isaías Navarro.
Number 7. Mr. Anthony Khalili.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. Your client is Isaías Navarro?
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct.
All right.
Señor Navarro, ¿hablas inglés?
No, español.
Ok, yo te voy a
Okay.
traducir. Nada más pon atención, por favor.
CR 21-13-653D, Isaías Fortuna Navarro. Class A misdemeanor is your charge, DWI. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
En el caso de usted, CR 21-13653D, Isaías Fortuna Navarro. A usted lo acusan de una clase A. Bajo la ley es no más de una multa de $4,000 y no más de un año en la cárcel. Eso es lo que la ley dice. La pregunta es, ¿usted comprende eso, sí o no?
Sí.
Yes.
How do you plead, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
¿Y cómo se declara? ¿Culpable o no culpable?
Yes, culpable.
I'm sorry?
Culpable.
Mr. Khalili, is he going to plead guilty or not guilty today?
Your Honor, we're just set for arraignment. We'll be entering a not guilty plea this morning.
All right. And as you do further negotiations, he can then change his mind. Okay, sir?
That is correct, Your Honor.
So for today, specifically today, arraignment, it'll be a not guilty for Mr. Navarro. And Mr. Do you have the like device with you?
Señor Navarro, ¿le han ordenado el aparato de alcohol en su vehículo?
Oh, sí, pero no tengo vehículo.
Yes, but
Okay.
I don't have a vehicle.
All right, sir. You think you need to get the portable or the mobile?
Entonces le va a cambiar, en vez del vehículo, le va a cambiar al portable.
Do you have an email, Mr. Navarro?
No.
Deme un teléfono, señor.
Ah, ok. 956
956
378
378
1563.
1563.
378-1563. All right, sir. You're going to be getting an order so that you can get one of the devices. We'll reset your case for April 6th.
Señor Navarro,
3 p.m.
el juez le va a ordenar ese aparato porque es mandatorio por ley, porque a usted lo arrestaron de una clase A. El juez va a firmar una orden hoy donde le está ordenando a usted que tiene que ir a rentar ese aparato. Se le va a mandar toda la información a su abogado. Usted tiene que estar en contacto con su abogado junto con la lista de los lugares donde usted puede ir a rentar ese aparato. Es importante de que mientras este caso esté pendiente, usted no esté tomando. Y usted tiene que rentar este aparato antes del día 6 de abril. Y por favor esté en contacto con su abogado. Cualquier pregunta, háblele a su abogado.
So once you get the apparatus or the device, please let your attorney know. Okay, sir.
So ya que usted tenga el aparato, entonces usted avísele a su abogado porque usted le tiene que presentar pruebas de que ya lo tiene para que él pueda dárselo al oficial.
All right. And please no alcohol consumption while the case is
Y
pending.
no
It's already been
alcohol
told.
mientras este caso esté pendiente.
All right. Anything else, Mr. Galili?
Nothing further before the court this morning. May myself and my client be excused.
Yes, sir. Your excuse. Have a good day.
Se puede retirar,
Thank you,
señor Navarro.
likewise.
Gracias.
All right. Thank you.
Que pase buen día.
Gracias.
Miss Reggie Richardson, number 16. She has Reynaldo Palomares.
Number 16.
And he's on the screen.
Miss Richardson.
And
All right,
Good
Miss
morning, Your
Richardson. Yes, good morning, ma'am. You have Reynaldo Palomares. Can you hear me, sir? There he is.
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning.
Morning.
Mr. Palomares, cause number CR 22-00555D, DWI, Class A
Yes.
misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
And you understand that you're entitled to a jury trial. You're entitled to an appeal. I'm sorry,
Yes.
it's not going to be a plea. It'll be a. You going to plead not guilty today?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Yes,
It'll be
Your
an arraignment. It'll be an arraignment and not guilty. And Mr. Palomares, do you happen to have the interlock device?
Yes, Judge.
Under what? Smart Start or something like that?
¿Cómo?
The name of the vendor or the company?
Lifesaver.
Okay. Lifesaver. All right. We're going to give you a pretrial date. And Ms. Richardson, here it is. August 30th, 2023, 9 a.m. 2023 name, yes, ma'am. 2023. If you work out something with the state,
Okay.
let us know. We'll get you an early hearing, of course.
I'm sorry, what was the time, Judge, the docket call?
Oh, 9
Okay.
9 a.m.
Yes, Judge, I anticipate we would have some type of resolution prior to that date.
Correct. Okay, and we'll be glad to entertain it. And meanwhile, Mr. Palomares, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, sir?
Yes, Judge.
All right, you take care and stay safe, okay?
You too.
All right, bye-bye.
Ms. Richardson
Bye-bye.
also has number 1, Ernesto Garcia.
Miss Richardson, number 1 over here.
And I don't know if Ernesto Garcia is on the screen because all these don't have a name.
All right, let me see here. Miss Richardson,
Yes, Your Honor.
Ernesto Sanchez Garcia. Can you identify him on the screen?
We have 2 individuals.
We have 2 individuals with no ID, no.
Gentleman in the car, what is your name? Unmute.
He's muted.
Unmute.
My name is Martin Mares, Your Honor.
Martin Mares, okay.
Yes, sir.
And the attorney, your attorney?
It's gonna be Santos Temerano, I think it's called.
Santos Maldonado.
Okay, what number is it?
That's number 11.
Number 11, okay. We need to wait for your attorney, okay, sir? I don't see him in the waiting room.
And then we have another individual.
Okay, hold on a little while, okay, sir? And then the gentleman with the
Doesn't have audio.
light blue shirt does not have audio.
I don't know if Rick or Rachel can confirm his.
Yeah, he's got Galaxy S21 Ultra
To see
5G.
who he is.
Right,
Yeah.
Rick or Rachel, can you find out? Can you?
Yes, sir. Galaxy S21 looks like Ernesto Sanchez Garcia.
Ernesto Sanchez.
CR21
That's number 1.
131. Yes, sir.
He doesn't have any.
That's number 1. Okay, he doesn't have any audio.
I don't know if Ms. Richardson has his.
Ms. Richardson, do you happen to have his phone number by any chance?
I do, Judge. If the court would allow, I can call him and let him know what the technical glitch is.
Oh, we can do it on speaker on the phone, okay?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, put him on and I'll hear him talk.
And
Okay.
number 5 is Ms.
Miss Nerida?
Martinez, and her client is Giovanna Aguilar.
Well, let's do that one right now while we're waiting for that technicality here. Miss Nerida Martinez, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Your client is Giovanna Aguilar, right, ma'am?
Yes, Judge, it is.
All right. All right, there she is.
She's
Can
on
you hear me,
the-
Miss Aguilar?
Yes.
Okay, we got her. CR 21-13-611D, Giovanna Eunice Aguilar, your charge Class A misdemeanor, DWI. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
And how do you plead, ma'am? Not guilty?
Yes.
All right, court will enter a not guilty plea today for the arraignment hearing. And ma'am, do you happen to have the interlock device?
No, sir. I don't
Or
have
the
a
port-
vehicle.
Not even the portable mobile?
No, I don't have, no, I don't.
Oh, okay. Do you have an email?
Yes.
Okay, what is it, ma'am?
J Giovanna 1303@gmail.com. J Giovanna with 1 N.
Okay, so it's actually Giovanna.
Yeah, it's J ovama1303@gmail.com.
Okay, very well. It's mandatory that you have the interlock device or the mobile because of the Class A charge of misdemeanor. We'll set the case for April 6th, 3 p.m. for status or compliance hearing. So as soon as you get it, ma'am, please let your attorney know.
Okay. As soon as I get what the interlock? Or the-
Yeah, correct. The mobile or interlock, right?
Okay.
Okay, ma'am,
Judge-
please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, okay, ma'am?
Okay, sir.
All right, Ms. Martinez?
Judge, just, in order to assist, Ms. Aguilar, I'm not sure if the court or the probation officer had sent me a list of where she can go get those.
You're gonna get it with the order.
She'll get it.
Yeah, you get it with the order.
All right. I have a question. What would
Yes.
happen with my driver's license or my ID or my driver's license? I still don't have it.
She's breaking up.
Yeah, you're breaking
You
up.
need to talk to your attorney.
Yeah.
Yes.
I didn't quite hear you.
My driver's license, yes. Okay.
Yeah, explain that to your attorney, okay, ma'am?
Okay. I will address any issues you might have, Judge. With
All right. Well then, thank you all very much. Y'all stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Judge.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Back to Ms. Richardson.
Number one, back to Ms. Richardson. Ms. Richardson.
This is her client.
Yes, Judge, good morning.
All right, you have your client on the phone now?
I do, Judge. I have him, I have him on speaker.
All right,
Hang on one
Mi-
second. I had it on mute.
okay.
Okay. Mr. Garcia? Yes. Okay, yes,
All right.
Judge. And I think the court can see him visually.
Yes. Good morning, Mr. Garcia. Cause number CR 21-13-171D, Ernesto Sanchez Garcia. Your charge, DWI, Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail, not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, sir?
Yes, I understand, sir.
And how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty?
We enter a plea of not guilty, Judge, respectfully.
It'll be we'll enter not guilty here on today's arraignment hearing. And Mr. Garcia, do you happen to have the interlock device?
Hey, what, sir?
The interlock device in your vehicle?
No, sir.
Okay, it's mandatory that you have one because of the DWI Class A charge. Do you have an email?
Yes, sir.
What's your email?
It's T as in Tango, H as in Hotel, D as in Delta, R as in Romeo, S as in Sierra, 1971 at sbcglobo.net.
Okay, Ms. Ramirez, did you get that?
I can repeat it for her, Judge, if
Yeah,
necessary.
okay, let's repeat it. Let's repeat it again, okay?
Yes, Judge. Tom, Harry, David, Raymond, Sam, 1971 at sbcglobal.net.
Got it. Thank you.
All right. You said Raymond, but he said Romeo. That's fine. We'll take it.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, so then we'll set it for April 6th at 3 p.m. for the compliance hearing, okay? So as soon as you get that device, Mr. Garcia, advise your attorney, okay, sir?
Okay, sir.
But that's the hearing we're gonna have so you can show proof. But if you get it beforehand, that'll take care of it.
And what time is that set?
3
Judge?
3 p.m. April 6th.
Okay.
And this is, yes, sir.
Yes.
April 6th, correct. In the
Okay.
meantime, Mr. Garcia, please, no alcohol consumption while this case is pending, okay, sir?
Will do, sir.
All right, thank you very much. You both been big excuse. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you, Judge. You do the same.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Thank you, Judge.
Say hi to Ida.
I certainly will. Okay.
Miss number 14, Miss Del Bosque, her client Adolfo Montalvo. He's not in the waiting room unless
Give me the number.
he's in her office. Number 14.
Number 14, Ms. Del Bosque.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning,
For
Ms. Del Bosque. Yes, ma'am. Good morning. You have Adolfo Montalvo?
Yes, Your Honor, for the record, the case number is CR 22-00280D. On this particular case, Your Honor, I do not have any contact information for him. I did check with the state to see if they had any contact information and they do not. Additionally, I see that there's no jail record for this this charge. So I don't have any way of contacting this individual, Judge.
Okay. Be a nice idea.
Nice. Usually when they get the nice side, they call it.
Okay. Okay, thanks for that information, Ms. Del Bosque. Court will at this time issue an ISI for CR 2200-280D, Adolfo Montalvo. That'll be an ISI. Thank you very
Your
much.
Honor-
Anything else? Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, just for the court's information, though, this individual does not have notice of today's hearing. The court's record docket indicates that the arraignment notice was sent to me because there's no known address for this individual.
Okay.
Okay,
All right.
We'll look into it.
Okay, we'll look into it. Thank you for that,
Perfect,
that
Your Honor.
announcement.
Thank
Have
you
a
very
great day.
much, Your
Stay
Honor.
safe.
Have a wonderful day.
You too,
Bye-bye.
ma'am. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Okay, we're waiting for Mr. Santos Maldonado. His client is Martin Mares on the screen.
Give me, okay,
And
number
then
11.
we're waiting for Mr. Aaron Fonseca.
Number 11.
Number 11, and we're waiting for
Okay.
number 6.
Okay, so we're waiting for two attorneys, Maldonado and Fonseca. I guess we'll be right back, right?
Yes, sir.
Take a short little brief recess. Okay, we're back on here. Court will continue with the March 8th, 2022 docket. Mr. Fonseca, your case CR 21-13-628D, Juan Francisco de Leon.
Yes, sir.
And Mr. de Leon is on the screen there. Is he wearing a cap?
Yes.
Or is that his hair? I can't tell. Are you wearing, Mr. de Leon, are you wearing a cap or is that?
No.
Okay, I can't tell because I only see your face. I don't see the top part. Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How about you?
Oh, pretty good. Thank you, sir. Good morning, Mr. Fonseca.
Good morning, Judge. I apologize for the delay, Your Honor. I had three.
No
10
problem.
o'clocks.
No. Attorneys are either in this court or that court. That's understood. Okay, Mr. Juan Francisco Robledo de Leon. Once again, CR 21-13-628D. Your charge, DWI, Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, sir?
Okay.
And how do you plead today? Guilty, not guilty?
He's going to enter a plea of not guilty at this time, Your
It'll
Honor.
be a not guilty plea on today's arraignment hearing. Mr. De Leon, do you happen to have the interlock device in your vehicle?
No.
Not even a mobile or a portable with you?
No, sir.
Okay. Because of a DWI Class A charge, you gotta have it's mandatory that you have the interlock device or a mobile. Do you have an email?
Yes, sir.
And what is it, sir?
It's Juan de Leon 6 at Gmail.
Juan
De Leon 6 at Gmail.
At Gmail. Does the Juan de Leon have to be all small letters or that'll matter? Okay.
April 7th. Now we're to April 7th.
Okay, Mr. De Leon, we're gonna issue you an order so you can go get a device, but we're gonna set the case for April 6th, 3 p.m.
7th.
Oh. Okay, April 7th, 3 p.m. April 7th, 3 p.m., Mr. Fonseca. That's for the compliance hearing. And by then, we expect that you get one of those devices. And when you do get it, advise your attorney as soon as possible. Okay, sir?
Okay.
Okay, so you'll be getting in your email an order plus a list of vendors so you can go find a device. In the meantime, Mr. De Leon, please no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, sir?
Okay, sir.
All right, you take care, and we'll see you on April 7th.
Thank you,
Okay.
Judge. You have a good
All right,
day.
have a good day. Bye-bye. Who's next?
Waiting for Mr. Maldonado. His client is on the screen on
Oh.
their iPad.
All right, we're waiting for attorney Mr. Maldonado. And I understand his client is on the screen. We'll be right back. Hopefully take a short recess here, not too long. All right.
Santos is
is there
client
too.
is there.
Okay. Mr. Ramirez, which is your
Santos.
Santos?
The client's already here.
Oh, I'm sorry, it'll be Mr. Santos. One moment, Mr. Ramirez.
No problem, Judge.
Mr. Santos.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Martin Mares, right, sir?
That's correct. 22-00082D.
Correct. I think it's on the screen there. Can you hear me, Mr. Mares?
I'm on the login right now.
Yes, Your Honor, I can hear you.
All right. Good morning, sir. Your charge is CR 22-00082D Martin Mares DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And how do you plead today? Not guilty?
He pleads not guilty, Judge.
All right. Court will enter a not guilty plea. And Mr. Mares, do you happen to have the interlock device with you?
No, Your Honor.
Not even the mobile or portable?
No, sir.
Okay. Sir, do you have an email?
Yes, sir. It's gonna be first name Martin, last name Mares, Mares, and then number 2 at gmail.com.
Martin Mares 2 at gmail.com.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. We're going to set your case for April 7th, 3 p.m. status hearing or compliance hearing. And as soon as you're going to be getting an order so you can get a device. As soon as you get it, let your attorney know. With that order, you're going to get a list of vendors so you can look for it. And
Okay.
And in the meantime, Mr. Mares, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending. Okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, Judge, I had a question, Your Honor. Is the court ordering a DWI, or I'm sorry, an alcohol monitor in every DWI case or just certain circumstances?
Only Class A's.
Okay. Only Class A's?
Yes, sir. Only where it's mandatory by state.
Okay, Judge.
Okay.
I have an
So
understanding.
April 7th, 3 p.m. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Thank you. You both may be excused. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Number 12, Mr. Dennis Ramirez.
Mr. Dennis Ramirez. Yeah, from Donna, right?
I was hoping we had forgotten about that, Judge.
I'm getting flashbacks here. We better hurry up with this before I get very passionate here. Okay, Mr. Ramirez.
And Judge,
CR22.
my client's logging in as we speak, Judge.
Okay, he's Pedro Martinez.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and we still don't see him in the waiting room, but we'll give it a few minutes.
I'll be on standby, Judge. I won't log off.
All right, thank you, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Liscano, I believe she's in the waiting room now. Or I'm sorry, Mr. Pedro Martinez is in the waiting room now with his wife who was helping him.
He's here. All right. Court will resume with the March 8th, 2022 docket. And we have CR 22-000 86D, Pedro Celestino Martinez.
Your Honor, Dennis Ramirez on behalf of Mr. Martinez. We are present and ready for a plea this morning.
All right, good morning. It'll be the arraignment, sir?
Yes, Judge. And this is an arraignment on a Class A misdemeanor DWI.
All right. Mr. Martinez, can you hear me, sir?
Sí.
Okay.
Yes.
Very well. Your case, CR 22-000 86D, Pedro Celestino Martinez. Your charge, DWI, Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail.
Ahorita se lo traduzco, señor.
Yeah, it'll be, it's coming. Your charge is a Class A misdemeanor, which carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
En el caso de usted, CR 22-00086D, Pedro Celestino Martínez. A usted lo acusan de una clase A. Bajo la ley es no más de una multa de $4,000 y no más de un año en la cárcel. La pregunta es, ¿usted comprende eso, sí o no?
Sí.
Yes.
How do you plead today, sir? Guilty, not guilty?
¿Y hoy cómo se declara? ¿Culpable o no culpable?
Your Honor, on behalf of my client, we enter a plea of not guilty.
All right, it'll be a not guilty plea here today for the arraignment. He's got a Class A. Do you know, Mr. Ramirez, if he's got a interlock device?
Señor, ¿tiene el aparato alcohólico en su vehículo?
No.
No.
All right, it's mandatory, sir. So we're going to have to give you an order so that you can get one. What is your phone number, sir?
Como es una clase A, es mandatorio por el estado de Texas, o el juez le tiene que ordenar ya sea el aparato que va en el vehículo o el dispositivo móvil. El juez va a firmar una orden junto con una lista de los lugares donde usted puede ir a rentar este aparato, y es importante de que usted tenga este aparato antes del día 7 de abril. Cuando usted ya tenga ese aparato, tiene que enseñarle prueba a su abogado para que él pueda mandárselo al oficial. Deme un número de teléfono, Mr. Martínez.
756-6145.
956, el área es 956.
Correcto.
756-6145.
All right, and so as soon as you get the device, please let your attorney know. Meanwhile, we're set for April 7th, 3 p.m. And meanwhile, Mr. Martinez, please, no alcohol consumption while the case is pending, sir, okay?
Señora, si tal usted ya tenga el aparato, por favor, comuníquese con su abogado para que le lleve prueba, y el juez le acaba de indicar que es importante que mientras este caso esté pendiente, no tomar alcohol.
Oiga, tengo una pregunta.
Mr. Martínez, yo le contesto las preguntas ahorita. Las preguntas no son para el juez. Gracias.
Okay.
All right, thank you, Mr. Martinez. You have a great day and stay
Gracias,
safe.
señor Martínez. Se puede retirar.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Bye-bye. Anything else, Mr. Ramirez?
Your Honor, I have nothing further before this honorable court, if I may be excused.
You're excused. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Have a good
Judge.
day, sir. Okay, bye-bye.
Likewise.
The only NISA is going to be number 20.
How about CR 22-00909D, Carlos Ivan Ramirez? He is not in the waiting room,
And it's already 11.
neither his attorney, and it's already 11 o'clock. It'll be a nice night.
Give me one second. Hold on.
Okay,
That's it.
that'll do it. We stand adjourned.